Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the advice animation named To My Daughter by using one picture. How is that possible? So keep stay tuning and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do is install the Revive application here, and you can install it from the Play Store or the App Store if you are the user of the iPhone or iOS. And usually for the new user, they will give you the offering right here. For example, there are the lifetime package and also weekly package, and also the benefit they offer about. So if you would like to purchase this package, then you can just click continue. But if you okay not to purchase the package and okay about the benefit, then you can just skip this offering. But maybe during the process of generating, then there will be a lot of advertisement. So if you're okay with that, then you can skip it. And
Pilih
kindly
apapun
wait
foto
for
berwarna.
the advertisement. And as you can see here, this is the look of the home page. And if you would like to create the advice animation, then you can scroll down and until we find the sound effect over here, and we will choose this the category of the wishes and cheers, and we will choose this To My Daughter.
To my beautiful daughter, never forget that I love you forever. Life
Kindly wait. So guys, this actually a preview.
to my beautiful daughter,
You can see the
never
preview
forget that
over
I love
here.
you forever. Life
As
is a
you can
journey
see,
full of challenges.
this picture is talking about the something or message or advice to the daughter, and you can just continue to click it,
To my
and
beautiful daughter,
you can start to choose the picture that you would like to that picture say something about the daughter and also match for the gesture. So you can choose the picture from your gallery from here, or you can also choose the picture that has been provided by this Revive. For example, I will choose this picture from the reason because I have ever tried it and click Revive. And there may be the advertisement and kindly wait. And after the generating process, so this picture is ready or this animation is ready, and let's listen to it.
let it fall. When you are too afraid to look ahead, look right beside you. I will always be there. I love you. To my beautiful daughter, never forget that I
So that's all guys, don't forget to try this app into your device, and please let us know if this effect or this animation also work for you guys. So please don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe this channel, and I'll see you in another video. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.